7 days of letting go and emotional healing. Day 3, heal your heart gently. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to begin softening. Gently close your eyes or keep a soft, relaxed gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly and feel your shoulders begin to drop. Take another deep breath and inviting calm into your body. Exhale and release any tension you are holding. Bring your awareness gently to your heart space. Notice any sensations present without trying to change them. Allow yourself to feel whatever is here with softness. Breathe in slowly and imagine warmth entering your heart. Breathe out and let go of any heaviness. With each inhale, invite gentle healing energy. With each exhale, release pain at your own pace. There is no need to rush this process. Your heart is allowed to heal slowly and safely. Imagine a soft light glowing within your chest. This light is warm, comforting, and steady. Each breath makes this light grow stronger. Allow this light to gently surround any hurt. You are holding yourself with compassion in this moment. You are safe to feel and safe to release. Take a slow breath in and feel the warmth expand. Exhale and soften deeper into this healing space. If emotions arise, simply observe them with kindness. There is no judgment here, only awareness. Your heart knows how to heal when given space. Breathe in gently, nurturing your inner self. Breathe out and let go of any resistance. Feel your chest soften with each breath. Allow yourself to rest in this moment of care. You are doing enough simply by being here. Let your breath guide you deeper into calm. Imagine your heart becoming lighter with each exhale. And stronger with each inhale. You are gently rebuilding trust within yourself. You are allowing healing to unfold naturally. Take a deeper breath in and feel gratitude for your heart. Exhale and relax even further. Begin to notice your body once again. Feel the surface beneath you supporting you. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take one final deep breath in. And exhale, slowly releasing any remaining tension. Carry this gentle healing energy with you. Know that your heart is growing stronger each day. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.